Your question is, a parliamentary system of government is one in which your options are A. All political parties in the parliament are represented in the government. B. The government is responsible to the parliament and can be removed by it. C. The government is elected by the people and can be removed by them. Or D. The government is chosen by the parliament but cannot be removed by it before completion of a fixed term. Right answer is B. The government is responsible to the parliament and can be removed by it. Your question is, the number of Indian states after the formation of Telangana will be. Your options are A 27, B 28, C 29 or D 30. Right answer is B 28. Your question is, Right to Information Act was passed in the year. Your options are A 2001, B 2004, C 2005 or D 2002. Right answer is C 2005. Your question is, which article of the Constitution provides protection to the accused regarding conviction from double bar and self-incrimination? Your options are A. Article 19, B. Article 22, C. Article 21 or D. Article 20. Right answer is D. Article 20. Your question is, which constitutional amendment has limited the number of central ministers to 15% of the total numbers of Lok Sabha? Your options are A 90th, B 91st, C 92nd or D none of the above. Right answer is B 91st. Your question is, which of the following article of Indian Constitution mentions the doctrine of pleasure? Your options are A. Article 200, B. Article 301, C. Article 310, D. Article 311 or E. none of the above. Right answer is C. Article 310. Your question is, the tenure of Comptroller and Auditor General of India is. Your options are A. 4 years, B. 5 years, C. 6 years or D. 7 years. Right answer is C. 6 years. Your question is, the term of the Lok Sabha. Your options are A. Cannot be extended under any circumstances, B. Can be extended by 6 months at a time, C. Can be extended by 1 year at a time during the proclamation of emergency, or D. Can be extended for 2 years at a time during the proclamation of emergency. Right answer is C. Can be extended by 1 year at a time during the proclamation of emergency. Your question is, which of the following is not a tool of parliamentary control over public expenditures? Your options are A. Public Accounts Committee, B. Comptroller and Auditor General of India, C. Estimates Committee or D. Committee on Public Undertakings. Right answer is B. Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Your question is, the representation of states in Council of States is based on. Your options are A. Equal for all states, B. Ratio of their population, C. Ratio of their area or D. Ratio of their revenue. Right answer is B. Ratio of their population.